Today we have a review of a Toollots item. That's a company out of California, and it is a ER25 tool holder. Now, what these are is for holding bits, milling bits. You hold drill bits, even a whole bar stock in there if you want. But what you do is you get the collet right here. Then you put it in the holder. Then you tighten it down with this special wrench right here. Then these flats here, you use a regular open end wrench and you hold it down and then you tighten it. Now, the reason why these are very better than a Jacob's chuck or anything like that is because, see these ends here? That means you will get maximum grip on all corners or round stock or whatever you got. Now these do wear out, and when they do, you'll know because they'll start spinning in the holder itself, the collet holder, and then you'll just discard it and you'll get a new one. Unless you feel like, monkeying around and maybe shimming it up so it's a little bit tighter. I mean, you could, but why bother? These things are cheap, guys. Unless you're on a budget. But I got her all set up here. So we're going to fire her up and see how it goes. Now we got the homemade milling attachment here. You can see in previous episodes of me using this too. But here we go. Smooth as she goes, guys. Remember, this is not a race. We'll just bring her in one more time. Now remember, when you bring this in after you're done, make sure you always lock this down, this nut here. You don't want this thing flying out, whacking you in the face or anything like that. So give her a good snug. Tighten her down. Now you see it ain't moving. Might be taking a little too much. Yep, taking a little too much off. But you guys get the principle. Yeah. See, yep, taking a good amount off. But yeah, it does a pretty good work. Just take your time and you'll be fine. But really, I gotta get a milling holder. That's the deal, because this ain't this ain't the greatest rig in the world, but it does get the job done. But it'd be nice to get a new one. But that's it, guys, for the Toollots ER25 holder. Now they make a whole bunch of other ones too, so go on Toollots and you'll see them. So that's it, guys. If you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down, like it to your buddies, subscribe. All right, later.